today we're going to be working on dividing decimals using base 10 grids, and we're going to start off with the scenario of 24 hundredths divided by 6. So in the past couple of scenarios that we've been working on, we know what we're starting with, which is 24 hundredths, and we know basically how much is going to be in each group. But this one's different because this one tells us the number of groups and this one tells us how much is in each group. So this is how it's different from the last ones that we've done. So I'm going to start off the same way that we've been doing by highlighting our starting number, which is 24 hundredths, which is 2/10 or 20 hundredths, and then 4 hundredths. This one's a little bit easier because it's already a basic math fact. So we already know that whenever you have 6 groups, how many hundredths are going to be in each group? What do we already know from this one? 4, because 24 divided by 6 is 4. But in this case, remember, we've got to have a decimal number. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make groups of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to label each of my groups. Remember, your groups do not have to follow a specific pattern. So again, let's go back to our problem. Did I start off with 24 hundredths shaded? Yes. Do I have a total of 6 groups?
Yes.
Yes. How much is in each group?
4.
4 what?
4 hundredths.
4 hundredths. Do I have to have the leading 0?
No.
No, not necessarily. Can I solve this using a backwards multiplication problem?
Yes.
Yes. Watch what happens. If I have 4 hundredths times 6, and I multiply it without the decimal, what is 4 times 6? 24. And how many digits are to the right of the decimal? 2. So I'm going to have 2 digits to the right of the decimal in my answer, and it gives me the same number that I started with. Okay?